how to set up Siri to recognize only your voice. This is the great way to ensure your personal assistant stays personal. So let's get started. First, let's unlock your iPhone and go to settings. Scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Next, make sure listen for Hey Siri is toggled on. Now, tap on set up Hey Siri. Now let's go through these together. During the setup, Siri will ask you to ask a few phrases. Make sure you're in a quiet environment so it can clearly hear your voice. Then tap continue to start the setup process. Siri now will ask you to say Hey Siri a few times. After that, you'll be asked to say a few more phrases like Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? And Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Once you've completed these steps, Siri will finish setting up your and you'll see a confirmation message. And that's it. Now Siri is set up to recognize only your voice. This means that your personal assistant is even more secure and tailored just for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.